Arsenal is an interesting body. I have been watching the strategy for 5 or 6 years, and I have found very interesting this concept of saying we are a region in the middle of Europe, but we want to make sure that what we do is consistent with what is the most widely adopted across the world, because interoperability is complex and we want to do it, in a sense, like others. But at the same time, Arsenàl.IT developed a strategy where they built a staff, they built a body of knowledge, a body of expertise, did many pilots, many deployments, brought the vendors on board, maintained a dialogue with the clinicians and the various stakeholders, creating a culture of collaboration. And I believe that this is the necessary foundation for any successful e-health project. And in that sense, among the European region, I would say Veneto region, thanks to Arsenàl.IT, is definitely one of the most ready to take the next step.